This time we are going to Paris Disneyland.
Space Ranger.
Hello. This time we are going to Paris Disneyland.
This will be only a short trip to Paris for 3 days 2 nights. I left Bristol on a Friday after work, as my flight is at 7:30 on a Friday. Flight to Paris is pretty short, only takes 1 hour and 10 minutes, but it took quite a long time to clear the queue at passport control. Got a metro ticket and rushed to the hotel after arriving in Paris as it's already 10 PM by the time I landed. And I'm traveling alone, so I'm slightly afraid to take the public transport at night, being extra careful by holding to my luggage tightly. After a few hours of traveling, finally checked into the hotel and I'm going to wash up and wind down to prepare for Paris Disneyland tomorrow. Good morning! I'm bringing the Minnie Mouse hairband with me. And before I go to Paris Disneyland, I'm going to grab some pastry. I found this viral bakery shop which is near to my hotel, so I'm going to check it out.
Yeah, again after 6 years.
First ride was Crush Coaster, and I'm having my breakfast from the bakery I bought while queuing for the first ride. I wasn't expecting our first ride to be so thrilling, so I really got to adjust myself to prepare for all these heart-dropping roller coaster rides.
How's first ride? Warm up. Good warm up. Good warm up.
Yeah, go on, go on.
Yeah.
Second ride, Ratatouille. I would definitely recommend to go for single rider if you want to save a lot of queuing time. It only took us less than 5 minutes.
Ratatouille, good. Not bad. I like the 3D, 6D, whatever, 4D effect. Let's go. Next.
Buzz Lightyear. Space Ranger.
After that, we came to this parachute which it looked so cute. It reminded me of the time when I skydived from 15,000 feet. I went for this ride myself because my friend didn't want to. And the next ride we had was the car road trip. The ride can accommodate many people, a very chill and enjoyable.
Your mission, explore.
Mickey ice cream!
Avengers was in fact my favorite ride so far, the most exciting and immersive, so I totally forgot to take videos.
Tendez juste les bras dans la direction que vous voulez et le tour est cool.
C'était fait. Allez, tous vers les slingers et on fera équipe pour empêcher les speeders.
Honestly, I really like how each of the theme park workers would wear different uniforms to suit the theme.
Sì, no, sì,
I've bought the ticket for 2 parks, so now we are going Disney Studio to Disney Park. This view is literally the dream of every princess. It looks incredibly magical.
Let's go! It's a small world. Lunch/dinner time. Top a rainbow!
Your seat, your shield.
Ha!
All drivers must be at least 132. Day 3. I can't help but really wanted some Asian breakfast when I saw this shop, so I had soybean curd, soybean and glutinous rice. It's National Day of Funds today, also known as Bastille Day. So since some roads are closed, I got the detour I came for macaroons.
Got another seasonal one. I like the rose more.
Capturing a photo of myself with the special Olympic logo on the Eiffel Tower. As it's French National Day today, the Louvre Museum is free to enter. Luckily, they are around 22 euros per ticket, so glad I got it for free. Finally saw the iconic Mona Lisa. This is the last stop. I'm coming here for French crepes. I got a sweet crepe with banana, ice cream and rum. Yes, which is my favorite. Apparently this place perhaps memories. This comes to the end of my Paris trip, a very short but memorable Paris summer weekend trip. Thanks for watching.